I didn't really know about geology at first, so when I came to apply at Priestley, I looked at the subjects that I was interested in: biology, geography, very science-based ones. And then I looked through the courses and I saw geology, and it was very much like physical geography, which I enjoyed the most. So I looked through the spec and I just found it interesting. It was about climate and volcanoes and stuff like that. And I just really liked how the course was set up. Well, especially in the first year, there was lots of practical work. I feel like I'm quite a visual learner, so very hands-on, getting samples out, looking at rocks and experiments. Well, Maurizio, he's very good at interacting with you, making sure you know what you're doing, but at college you obviously depend on yourself to make sure you learn the content. But it's very interactive, especially with practicals, and not every lesson's the same because you can go through PowerPoints and make notes, or you could be doing quizzes as a class. So I feel like the way it's taught is very, very good. I really enjoy geology because you get to learn about the age of rocks and how the Earth came about, how it is structured, how the solar system impacts the Earth now. And it's all just focusing on the past, like the geological past of the Earth. And I just find that interesting because I feel like it's not taught much at high school. When you learn geography, you learn about current events and the current state of the Earth. Whereas geology, you get to kind of look back, and it's just interesting how everything evolves. So with geology, there's lots of opportunities to go on field trips. One being to Scotland, where you get to look at rock formations and go up to cliffs and see it in person. And you can see the scale of how big geology actually is. And then in the second year, you get to go to Sicily and actually look at volcanoes, active volcanoes. And that's one of the more really interesting parts for people, to experience it in person. I'm hoping to do either geography or a geology degree. I enjoy the physical side of geography. That's why I'm looking at geology degrees as well. I want a career in maybe meteorology or seismology, definitely something focused on the environment and current events.